Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a good hanging text effect in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now what we are going to do is we are going to elements and here just search for save. Okay, we are into the all and here we have just selected this save. Okay, let me change the color of this template to this one, and now I will place it over here and will equally distribute this template into multicolor template. Okay, so we have increased the size of the shape and here we have just chosen this. Okay, now here we are just going to text, click on add a heading and here write B. So B means Bikana. Yeah, my dear friend. Let's change the color to white. Okay. Now what next, sir? We are going to add effect. And here in the effect, you can just search for a good effect. Right. Whatever the effect you like, you can simply add it. Right. Let me add a eco effect. Okay. Increase the offset little bit and direction is fine. Okay, is the this okay, right? Similarly, we are going to duplicate it and write I. Okay, so I'm getting your point. Similarly, we are going to again click outside, duplicate it and write K. Okay, sir. Now what next? K. Okay, sir. Now what next? N. Okay, sir. Now what next? We are again going to duplicate this A. Place it little bit far, right? And let's rotate this. Okay. Now what next, sir? Tilt these text a little bit so that it looks like hanging, right? So you create good designs. I like to watch your videos. If you like to watch my videos, then why don't you subscribe? You should subscribe. Subscribe our YouTube channel right now because your subscription gives me motivation to create something very good. Okay. So what next? We will select all these text, right? And then we can group them, increase the size that's required, right? Let me click outside. Okay, it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to elements and here search for shape again and in the all you will find the circle. Now sir, what we are going to do with the circle? We are going to reduce its size. You can zoom in while working, right? Okay. Now we are going to duplicate it. This is like this. Now here, let me delete this first and make it much easier for you. Okay, let me search for line. Okay, we have line in our design. Rotated it 90-degree. Send this line backward. Okay, now we are just going to select this line. Press it. Perfect. Select them. Group. Duplicate. So you are genius. Yeah, my dear friend, I know I'm genius. because of you guys. Okay, okay. Now you can simply ungroup them. You can select the circles, change their color. Okay. Now, as you can see, our design of hanging text effect is ready. So, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.